Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session for you. In this session, I am going to start with the question answers of the chapters. Some of the persons have requested me to come up with the solutions, so I am here with New Gems English Reader of Ratna Sagar, starting with the lesson 1 Black Beauty by Anna Sewell. Let's see the reference to context. These questions in reference to context are given in the question in the book in back exercise which I am doing. So firstly read the sentences and answer the questions. Here the line is given. According to this line, questions are given and you have to answer. Be good while I go to work for Farmer Gray. So this line is given in the book in the chapter 1 and the related question is who said these words? किसने कहे थे ये words? So Daki's mother said these words. The next question is whom did the speaker say this to? So who was the speaker firstly? Daki's mother. And whom did she say? So answer is the speaker said this to her called Daki. अपने बेटे को अपने बच्चे को उसने कहा था. Now the next question is who was Farmer Gray? Farmer Gray was the master of all the horses. So जहाँ सारे horses रहते थे farm पर उधर के master कौन थे? Farmer Gray. Now moving on to the second line which is given in the reference to context is this is the last time you trouble my horses, and the related question is who said these words to whom? किसने कहे ये words और किसको कहे? In one question they have mentioned two things, so you have to answer two things. किसने कहा, किसको कहा? Farmer Gray said these words to Dick the plowboy. So Farmer Gray ने कहा, किसे कहा? Plowboy जिसका नाम Dick था. Second question relating to this line is why did the speaker say this? क्यों कहा speaker ने ये? The speaker said this because he was a good man who looked after his horses well. क्यों कहा था speaker ने? Who is the speaker? First of all, we have already mentioned in the previous answer Farmer Gray. और Farmer Gray ने ये क्यों कहा? Because he looked after his horses and he loved them by heart. He don't want them to be hurt. Next question relating to the line is what did the speaker ask the other person to do after this? इसके बाद speaker ने उस person को क्या करने को कहा? The speaker asked the other person, Dick the plowboy, to leave his farm and never trouble his horses. क्या कहा speaker ने और किसको कहा था? Other person कौन है इधर? Dick the plowboy जो स्टिक्स और स्टोन्स मार रहा था हॉर्सेस को, उसको बोला कि ये फार्म छोड़कर चले जाओ और आज के बाद मुझे यहाँ पर मत दिखाई देना और मेरे हॉर्सेस को कभी भी परेशान मत करना. Now moving on to the main question and answers. So answer these questions. You have to answer these questions in your word. I am mentioning the answers here, but try to write by yourself. This will improve your English and your vocabulary and also your sentence making. So try and write by yourself. So the first question is who was Black Beauty and where did he live? Black Beauty was a handsome horse who lived on an English farm. ठीक है, two questions है in this one question. Question 1 में दो question mention करे हैं. Who was Black Beauty first of all and then वो कहाँ रहता था? तो Black Beauty एक handsome horse था और वो English farm पर रहता था. Question 2, why did Farmer Gray send Daki to another farm? क्यों भेजा डाकी को फार्मर ग्रे ने अदर फार्म पर? Farmer Gray sent Ducky to another farm for his training, because वो चाहते थे कि when Ducky will grow up, he should be trained well so that he can bear the burden of carriages and carts, and he should be able to handle cradle, saddle. So he sent him to the other farm for training. In the next question, 3, fill in the web diagram with words that describe Farmer Gray. This question is already printed in your book, so I have mentioned the answers. In this question, in this web diagram, we have to mention about the master. You have to fill all the clouds for the words which are relating to the master. So first one is kind. He was very kind. He was very caring. He was thoughtful, generous, just, and affectionate, because he took care of his horses, feed them well, behaved well with them. So he took care of their happiness, and he never allowed anyone to hurt them. So he was very kind, caring, thoughtful, generous, just, and affectionate. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope you have understood all the answers, and you will be happy with the answers that I have given to you. But I will still say, do write by yourself. This will improve your English vocabulary and sentence making. And for more question and answer videos relating to your literature book, you can subscribe my channel for those updates. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.